Ever wondered how your personal habits might be influencing your hormone levels, your social interactions, and even your brain's reward system? Today, we delve into a topic that's often left unspoken: the implications of masturbation on men's testosterone levels, social implications, and the dopamine reward system. To understand the full picture, we need to start with the basics. Testosterone, a hormone responsible for developing male secondary sexual characteristics, is also linked to energy levels, mood, and even cognitive abilities. Some studies have suggested that ejaculation through masturbation could lead to temporary dips in testosterone levels. However, the key word here is temporary. The body is a complex machine and it quickly balances out these levels, so the overall impact on your testosterone is minimal. But what about the social implications? Here's where things get more subjective. Some men report feeling more confident and socially adept when they abstain from masturbation. But it's important to remember that correlation does not equal causation. It's more likely that these feelings are connected to personal beliefs and attitudes about masturbation, rather than the act itself. Now, let's talk about dopamine, a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in how we feel pleasure. Masturbation can trigger a rush of dopamine, leading to feelings of satisfaction and relaxation. However, like any reward-based activity, it can become a problem if it's used as a constant source of dopamine release. This is because the brain can become accustomed to these high levels of dopamine, which can then lead to a decrease in receptors, making it harder to feel pleasure from other activities. This is similar to what happens with addiction. In summary, while masturbation can cause a temporary dip in testosterone levels, the body quickly balances this out. The social implications of masturbation are more likely to be tied to personal beliefs and attitudes, rather than the act itself. And while the dopamine rush from masturbation can feel good, relying on it as a primary source of pleasure can lead to a decrease in dopamine receptors, potentially dulling the pleasure response to other activities. Remember that everyone is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's also important to note that this information is not intended to shame or stigmatize anyone. Instead, it's about providing a clear understanding of the potential implications of our habits, empowering us to make informed decisions about our bodies and our lives.